Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Now in yesterday's video I show you what the example of the piece, and I found it in the garbage, but I have it online for that price. These are the different examples that I show you that I wanted to do to the piece. I am finished building it and I am so excited. So I get to show you the beginning and what it looks like and the work that I put into it. Remember yesterday video what it looks like? I have to still show you the process. It's like a recap of what was happening. So now I am just going over with you what it looks like, trying to remind you, because the end result I think is amazing. So I'm just showing you the piece. Like I said, it seen better days. It was somebody's treasure and then it became their trash and they threw it out, and I took the whole thing apart and rebuilt it. And I actually shocked myself because I can't even believe I did it, because I've never done anything like that. Well, building some type of cupboard, cabinet, or whatever it is, I never did it from scratch. A lot of other things I've done, but this one here, I haven't done that. And guys, I have a closet to build with you guys too, so stay tuned, because I just think I can. I think I can. So this is what everything is looking like, and me putting the pieces together to frame it out. Actually, the wood that's on here is helping the structure. It's a heavier wood than the bottom because that's what I had. There's no rhyme or reason. This is all the free lumber that I get from Lowe's, but these days they don't handle lumber because their saw is broken. Somebody needs to call Lowe's for me and tell them fix the darn saw. So this is everything so far, and I'm just recapping what we did. This is some of the repurposed wood that came with the. This is the idea that I have for the piece. Now imagine sitting on here, the middle part goes up, and then there's two shelves over here. I don't know on which side I'll put it anyway, but this is the idea here. Gonna cut this is gonna be the sideboards. This is long enough, so I'm gonna cut this in half and put another one right here. This is one side of it. This is gonna be cut in this area right here. This is another shelf, and this is the top of it. And I'm also going to put like a backboard here, so I could also use the top of it. So this is the idea. So let's execute it and see how it comes out. Now I'm finished build. It's upside down. This piece here, this here should be on the top, but I'm showing you how I build the slats to hold it together and screw it from the outside. And when I let me flip it over and show you. This is how it looks. And then I'm going to come down with a middle board and a shelf coming this way. Like the middle board is going to come down like this, and then a shelf coming over. So on the top here, I was telling you before, I'm going to put a backboard because I don't want this to be wasted space. We could use it all up, and all with scrap wood. Yes, it's coming along so nicely. I'm excited. And now I am finished building this off, and I want to be able to use the top. So what I'm going to do, I have this piece of wood right here. I'm going to cut it out in like a design to make a divider for the top. Not really a divider, but something to so stuff don't fall over it. So let me put it together. So this is the piece that I was telling you that I'm gonna build. So I had to make it a little fancy. Take my saw and then go in. Let me turn the other way so you can see it. See? And it has that design on it. That is cute. So now I'm gonna put something to the side here and another one to this side. So this is how I do this. I draw it out and then I use my jigsaw to cut it out. How far I have gotten with this piece. I build the top part to it, and what I'm doing, I didn't have long enough wood, so now I'm putting in wood filler in between and sand it down. And I know the last time you've seen this piece, it was a hodgepodge of a hodgepodge, but I went ahead and I painted it with the same paint that I use for the deck, is outdoor paint. And I felt like if it was good for the deck, it was good for this too. But I'm actually I'm using this paint to actually seal this. I may put a top color on it. I don't know what yet. What color would I put? Like I said, I have the furniture, but I can't see the vision yet. But this is how far I've gotten. I did the same to the other side to join the wood. And I end up sanding out the edge so no one will get, like, you know, stuck on here like a sharp edge. Also, look what I did up here. At first I had this piece down, this piece here with a design, but I put it back up. This is actually my handiwork. I wanted a little, you know, little frills and trills and turn to it. So I decided to use my jigsaw and cut out some detail. And this is how it is looking. I have another piece. I have another piece to put like right here. And I don't know where it is right now. I wanted to show it to you, but let me see if I can find it. So here is the piece that I want to add to the top here, but I think after I put the refrigerator in, that's when I'll add that little decorative touch. And I also have another piece because I'm putting another shelf right here. So this other piece will be inside here, and the shelf is going to be like at a tilt, so I could put napkins or whatever in there. Yes, guys, when I first started, I didn't know that I could have done it. But look like I did. And I guess the next time you're going to see this piece, it will be in its place and finish off to the max. I put the refrigerator is going to be here. Here is storage right here. Some more storage right here. I realized this shelf is a little bit tilted this way, so I have to go back in and just cut it a bit, but it's not a problem. I could see the end is closed. And yes, this is what I put together. So it's gonna be like a buffet slash drink station, drinks caddy. Girl, it's gonna be everything that I wanted to be on the day. It's gonna be, I have one more piece to build, and then I should start doing the deck. Look, hot mess right here still. I have to clean up all of that from all of my mismatch wood, and now painting it all one solid color. And guys, I did this all for free. The only thing, well, I already had the screws, but the only thing that I purchased was the screws many months ago, maybe a year ago. But the wood, everything is free. The piece that started off down here, that was free. I found it in the garbage. And you see what it looked like before and what we turn it into now. Bye-bye. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified, and we will keep working and doing the darn thing. Bye-bye.